target point there. Click OK, zoom out. Now I kind of can see that it's back to front because this is the back of my table, that's the front. So I think I'm going to just try if I can see if I can spin the whole thing around. Just that when I export it, when I tell it I want my front view, it actually gives me my front view instead of a back view because we've got it back to front. Move, copy. Here we go, rotate, select objects, components. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to rotate them on which axes? Nope. That one. 180 degrees. Okay. Done. Cool. Now when I click on my front view, okay, I've got to spin it back 90 degrees. So right click, whoops, right click, move, copy, components, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rotate axes, that one, and we wanted to bring it back 90 degrees, click OK, zoom out, let's click front, nice. That's better. Okay, and we'll go to ISO. There he is. Okay, we're almost done, guys. We're going to draw the front rail that goes in here, and that'll be the end of this video. Okay, I'll leave it for another lesson to start drawing the drawer and the top. Okay, but it's nice to see in class this is practically where you guys are up to, barring putting glue in it, which we won't be doing for quite a while yet. We'll leave it all flat pack so that we can just keep dry fitting it to keep checking everything's right. Okay, so this front rail, very easy, this one. Sketch, we might draw that from a front view. Yeah, capture position. Now, must be getting late in the day, I'm forgetting things. Okay, so let's grab this move tool. What I'm just going to do, guys, and you can do this if you forget measurements. I know my front rail has to be the same length as this, plus the 20 mil that goes in there and the 20 mil that goes into this one. So I'm going to go inspect and measure, and I'm going to say measure it from that point there to that point there, and it tells me it's 400 mil. Okay, so I can just go close, back to my sketch, back to my front view, and I'm going to go draw down here somewhere. It's going to be 19 mil thick, and it's 400 plus 20 on each end, so 440. Enter. E. And I'm going to draw that out. And that's going to be the thickness of my leg, which is 40 mil. Enter. Okay, there he is. So now I'm going to be drawing my tendons on here. So I'm just going to go sketch, and on the end here. Now this is a cool little trick. It's called offset. I'm going to select the perimeter there and drag it in. And we're dragging it in 5 mil. So I'm just going to go -5, enter. Spin it side on, I'm going to go E. I'm going to click that shape, and I'm going to drag that back 20 mil. -20, enter. So that's basically the tenon that you guys will be creating. It's not that easy on timber. You can't just go to the end of your timber and just go offset. You'd have to mark in your 5 mil the whole way around using your marking gauge, and obviously your 20 mil back and square that the whole way around, and your 5 mil across your top, your end grain and your base on both sides. Still fairly quick because then we cut that on a bandsaw. Okay, I'm gonna go around and do the other one. So sketch on this face, modify, offset, click the perimeter, drag it in, and -5, enter. Click E, that one, drag it in, -20, enter. Done. Now in your bodies folder, that's him there. We just need to convert him to a component. Done. So that's him there. So we've done that, and we're going to put him in our table. So we know how to do that. Right click, move copy, component, that one, point to point, origin point. Good question. How can we line this up? It has to be going onto one of these points. That's all we can pick up here. So that would match up with, if we spin this around, it'd line up with one of these points here. So I'm going to go line that up with my target point now, which will be in there. That looks right. So let's go OK. Look at that. Done. We may as well put an appearance on that now. So click A on your keyboard. Okay, this should pop up. Now it might be closed like this. So just click the plus, it'll open up. And down here in your library, you'll have something there called wood. Open that up, and there's a pine one. Now it might have like a little cloud picture next to it because you might not have used it before. You just click that, it downloads it from the Autodesk cloud into your program. So then you can just go click and you can drag that onto your components. Close. That's it so far, guys. Alright, next lesson, I think I'll start drawing the draw with you guys. Okay? Looking good. It's probably, if you've gotten this far, it's probably one of the best looking drawings you've done so far, so I should be pretty happy with that. Alright, see you later, guys.